Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have another fun and exciting advent calendar for you. This one is from NYX. It looks like this. So if you guys would like to hear more and see an unboxing of this advent calendar, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the NYX Advent Calendar. It's the they're calling it the 12-day holiday countdown, which essentially is the same thing. You're counting down to something, usually Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. On the back, it does tell you what you're getting inside, but I don't want any spoilers, so I figured we would open this up together. It is still sealed. I have not peeked at all. Ready, set, go. Oh, this is cute. Like all the various different things you might ask for Christmas. I want a new phone. I want jewelry, a new car, shoes. It says Mrs. Claus up here. That's really cute. So I guess we will just dive right in with day number 1. And these do go in order. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So very easy to follow. So day 1 is HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. Oh, so like an eyeshadow base and eyeshadow primer. I wonder if this is clear or tinted. All right, so it is tinted, like a light peachy tone. So that'll work really well for my skin tone. So that's really fun. I use the NYX glitter glue, but I don't use any of their other primers, I don't think. So that's fun. Day 2, I'm gonna pop a nail, aren't I? Looks like a single shadow. This one is Peppermint Shimmer. Ooh. We have Peppermint Shimmer right there. That's pretty. It's like cranberry pinky shimmer shade. Day 3. Looks like one of their iconic soft matte lip creams. I used to have a ton of these when I first started my YouTube channel. I think I had one in like every single shade. Day 4. Butter gloss. Who remembers these? If you were doing makeup or YouTube back in, I want to say like 2014, 2015, the butter glosses were everything back then. They're still quite good. Day 5. Looks like another shadow. This one is Sleigh Bells, and it looks like a coppery gold shade. That's pretty. All right, so we've got 2 shadows so far. Day 6 is a long one, perhaps a setting spray. Day 6 is the matte finish setting spray mini, which is awesome. I actually just gave this to my mom yesterday, so now I have another one. Day 7 down here is another soft matte lip cream, and this one is in the shade Abu Dhabi. Most of them are named after cities. I didn't tell you the name of the other one. The other one was Can, and then the butter gloss was in this shade Creme Brulee. 8. Ooh, Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator right here. Ooh, that's a really pretty like apricot peach. That would be a beautiful blush topper. I already had the peachy makeup going, so I just add a little bit of glow. Really, really pretty. I don't think I've ever tried the Born to Glow line. That was day 8. Day 9. Another butter gloss. This one is in the shade Tiramisu, so food names. Day 10, a finishing powder. This is the translucent finishing powder. It looks very white here, but perhaps dusted all over, it's not so bad. Let me just try it around the nose here. It does seem like it lightens things ever so slightly, but nice to have in your purse for like touching up during the day. 14 is another long one. Ooh, a dewy finish spray. And I love this teal color. It's like one of my favorite colors ever. All right, so now we're down to the very last day. What do we think? Another single shadow? A glitter? It's like a matte shadow single. This one is Gingerbread House. That is definitely fitting, especially this color. Right there. So we have the 3 shadows. We've got the coppery gold, that duochromy cranberry peachy one, and then a matte brown shade, which you could probably get a whole look out of just these 3. You have your crease and outer corner, and then you've got 2 lid shades. And then you have the lid primer. You've got the glow product. You've got the finishing powder. I'm surprised there's no lipsticks in here or lip liners for like Christmas, like a bright red liner or a bright red lipstick. You have relatively neutral, subdued colors that I probably wouldn't consider Christmassy colors, but I guess they are good for a variety of skin tones. So you've got like 2 varieties of pink and 2 varieties of like a nude shade, which is nice. So all in all, like, it's a nice countdown. I just feel like I'm missing things. Like I'm missing a lipstick. I'm missing like an eye product. Like what about their iconic like eyeliners or their liquid liners or a glitter product? They've got tons of glittery shadows and like iridescent shadows. So I feel like they could have pushed it a little more with a little more variety instead of giving us 4 like lip glosses. I feel like we probably could have done a lipstick or something else. But otherwise, I think this is a fun little countdown, a little advent calendar, especially if you enjoy NYX products. I intend to get use out of all of these products, so it was definitely a good purchase for me. But now you know what's inside, and they do have the ingredients and the list of items on the back in case you were like on the fence of if it's worth it or not. And I believe you can get this at like Ulta and Target and probably some other drugstores. So I will link it down below when I can find it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this NYX countdown unboxing advent calendar. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Happy holidays.